puppy. Bring your puppy here. Oh, yes, you're such a vicious puppy. Hey, bring it here, Mommy will throw it. There you go. Closer. Oh, I know. That's a vicious, vicious puppy. Yeah. Mommy's gonna throw it gently so you don't hurt yourself. There you go. Bring it here. That's it. Did you snap its neck? Good girl. Good puppy. Oh, you have to let go. You have to let go. All right, let go. All right. Okay. Look at your lip. Your tail's wagging, so you have to be feeling better. All right, here we go. Oh! Are you a vicious killer poodle? Alright. Are you a vicious killer poodle? Are you Mommy's baby? Hi. You want Mommy to throw your poodle again? Alright, one more time because I don't want you to start coughing. You have to let go. You have to let go. You have to let go. Whoa. Here we go. You ready? Okay. Bring it here. Don't lick it. You're supposed to kill it. Bring it here. Are you just cute as a bug in a rug? Oh, Mommy loves you so much. You're such a good girl.